Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp messages and media to Google Drive to prevent data loss, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable automatic backups. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Tap Chats, then select Chat Backup. Step 4. Tap Backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred backup frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap Backup. Step 5. Select the Google account where you want to save your WhatsApp backups. If no account is linked, tap Add Account and follow the prompts. Step 6. Choose whether to include videos in your backup. Including videos will use more storage space and data. Step 7. Select your network preference: Wi-Fi only, or Wi-Fi or cellular. Using Wi-Fi only will save your mobile data. Step 8. Tap Backup to start an immediate backup, or wait for the automatic backup to run based on your selected schedule. Your WhatsApp data is now safely stored in Google Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.